Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into the same Google account on the Nest Hub and the Google Home app on your phone so devices recognize each other. Once signed in, open Google Home and confirm the Hub shows under Devices. Make sure the Hub firmware is updated. Next, install or update Google Duo if required and grant camera and microphone permissions. These steps establish trust and route calls. Don't skip permissions because the Hub won't place or receive calls. Once done, go into the Google Home app, select the Hub, and open Device Settings, then Communication to enable calling features. Enable video calling and pick Google Duo, or Meet if available, as your calling provider. This links the Hub to your calling account. Make sure you set up voice match and allow access to contacts so the Hub can identify people and use hands-free commands. These configurations let you say names and place calls without touching the screen. Now place the call, say "Hey Google video call," plus the contact name, or tap Communicate on the Hub and select the person. Speak clearly. The Hub displays camera preview and connects. If the call fails, check your Wi-Fi and ensure both devices use the same Google account and the Duo or Meet app is current. If contacts don't show, reopen Google Home, relink the calling provider, or restart the Hub. That one reboot often clears sync glitches and restores calling functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.